With AI, we can generate images, videos and applications. Now I want to make a music video. No need editing skills, visuals, actors or directors are needed for this. With Freebeat AI, I will do all of this on the same platform. So friends, welcome to my new video. Let's explore the features of Freebeat AI together. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let me show official website freebeat.ai, and we can see first features, music videos and images for generate AI models. Also we can see all features, also video features and models, and we can work with audios, features and AI models like an Suno, Minimax, Muraka and other AI models. So also we can see example videos for inspiration created by other users, and today we will focus on music video features. Let's log in profile, and there is my dashboard. So interface is very user friendly. We have agent here, we can write directly, and also toolbox. Let's click toolbox, and we can use these creative agents, music video agents, music to music video and other agents. Also music apps, we can generate musics and videos here. So there are huge AI tools and features that's really perfect all in one place. So for create music video, I want to audio track, and for this I will use Suno. And let's go to toolbox and music generator. Now we can generate music. We can choose model here. We have Suno, Minimax and other AI models. Let's choose Suno version 5, and we can enable instrumental. Let's write here create music for Gen Z rap style summer edition, and let's create music. Okay, music is generated. Let's preview, and we can see like this here, and let's click play.
Slide through slides, no cap. 10 lines on the back of my mind. Shorty said pull up, I did that. Now the whole day feel like a flex.
Okay, music is perfect, and now we can click here for animate this song. So music put in here, and we can write prompt here. Let's paste. I have generated this prompt with ChatGPT and image. Let's click. We can use these images here, or we can add our own image and generate image from AI models. Let's choose hip hop man and continue. So aspect ratio, let's choose this. If you want a video for TikTok or Instagram reel, we can choose vertical sizes. Let's choose 69 ratio, and resolution, let's choose full HD, and captions. So we can use these captions here. Let's click play. This is first caption, and for example let's use sync media. Okay, add like this and remove watermark. This is enable. And agents, I will use last agent version Freebeat 2.0, and we have sections here. We can use studio, or we can choose this custom. This is Freebeat default model, and this recommended version. Let's choose studio, and also we have this button here, enhance prompt with AI. Let's try. Let's click here, and my prompt enhanced here. That's good. And just click this button for create my music video. Okay, we can see new sections here. This is storyboard, and first syncing AI model and generating music analysis. So we can see music analyze ready for you review. We can see music track here, intro, verse 1, pre-chorus and verse 2. Okay, really this perfect feature for create music videos. And we can see segmentations here, time duration, audio details and lyrics. Also we can read this text and click approve. So generating music video, let's wait for results. Okay, next step, visual style. We can see color palettes here and lighting, texture and other styles. After read this, click approve. So we can get creative brief here. Let's click approve. Okay, time to reference images. This is main character and this character look. Locations, we have 4 locations, and this is apocalyptic style and neon styles and city. Okay, let's click approve. Scene plan, we can see all scenes. This is story, beat, look, and atmosphere. So this is scene 1, scene 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and we can right here change any scene or change any character looks, but for me all is good. Also we can see camera lens here, 35mm film and color codes and all details. So click approve. So guys, our storyboard grid is ready. We can see all scenes here. This looks so realistic and so cool for rap music. Really perfect. And also we can see here, and if all is okay for you, you can click approve. Let's click. So guys, this is final step, and after read all these details, we can see credits, unit price and item. And after reading this, we can click confirm. So video shots here, we can see scene 0, 1, 2 and main character with backgrounds. Okay, let's click approve. And this is the last step, and let's wait for final video. So guys, finally it's done and we can see pipeline is closed. And for example, let's see what AI can do with use. Music analyze, visual style framework and creative brief, reference images, simpling, storyboard, camera and motion, video clips and post-production. So really Freebeat AI is all-in-one platform. So time to see full video. Let's click play. And final video preview, we can get this video in our computer, we can share or edit and also open render video. So we have stages here and that's all.
Slide through in size, no cap. 10 lines on the back of my mind. Shorty said pull up, I did that. Now the whole day feel like a flex. Sun on my skin, iced tea in hand. See your name light up my screen. We don't do too much, we just play. One shot, one left, one scene. You know the vibe, you know the way. We are the house, we don't behave. Caught in the breeze, caught in the moment. Tell your crew, we already on it. Highlight your life, we outside. Highlight your life, don't hide. All day, all night, we slide. Highlight your life, highlight your life. Highlight your life, we outside. Highlight your life, don't hide. All day, all night, we slide. Highlight your life, highlight your life. Pool water on a wrist, drip, drip, drip. Breezing past with a fresh new fit. Your laugh hit hard, I had a trip. Now I'm tryna make the whole day sit. Cherry pop in the cup, then we dip. No stress, just a little bit wild. Your playlist on and the whole call it. Everybody got that summer child. You know the vibe, you know the way. We are the house, we don't behave. Caught in the breeze, caught in the moment. Tell your crew, we already on it. Highlight your life, we outside. Highlight your life, don't hide. All day, all night, we slide. Highlight your life, highlight your life. Highlight your life, we outside. Highlight your life, don't hide. All day, all night, we slide. Highlight your life, highlight your life. One more pick, then we go. Bare footsteps on the coast. If this night go fast, let it go slow. Keep it bright till the last glow. Highlight your life, we outside. Highlight your life, don't hide. All day, all night, we slide. Highlight your life, highlight your life. Highlight your life, we outside. Highlight your life, don't hide. All day, all night, we slide. Highlight your life, highlight your life.
So what I think about this? I think the biggest advantage is how quality you can turn a song into a complete music video instead of spending hours editing, signing clips and building scenes manually. You can generate and enter video in just 5 minutes. I also like the different creations mode and the ability to customize style, characters and visuals. If you are a musician, content creator or just want to make your music video, it's definitely worth trying. If you want to test it yourself, you can check out Freebeat using the link in description below. Thanks for watching video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck!